Hey everyone, my name is Miguel Meneses, and I'm the engineer and support technician here at Delta Scientific. One of the most commonly overlooked checkpoints in any maintenance process is the hardware, specifically the hardware on our front plates. Over time, with the use of these barriers, no matter heavy use or light use at your job site, vibrations will happen to the front plate. And with those vibrations, those tend to loosen up the bolts here on the front side or even on the side of your barrier front plates covers. Over time, with the use of these barriers, the vibrations that occur to the front covers can become so extensive that the hardware can get loose over time. You want to make sure that your hardware is always snug and on there correctly. You always make sure that the proper hardware is being used and make sure that you're checking on this on a monthly basis.
Drop a comment below with a question for our master tech or engineer, and maybe we'll feature it in an upcoming video. Like and subscribe so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching.